Hello, everybody, and welcome to a brand new week of medical terminology. I hope you're feeling good, feeling strong. Keep that momentum up. You're almost through the module. Well, this is our week to study the respiratory system. So let's all take a deep breath and dive into Chapter 8, the essentials of the language of pulmonology. Pulmonos means lung, and ology is the study of. So pulmonology is the study of the lungs and disorders of the lungs. The respiratory system consists of the lungs and the air passageways that connect the lungs to the outside of the body. The chapter is going to take you on the journey of air as it flows during normal respiration. So maybe take a breath and visualize this process of air flow, air circulation. It starts in the upper respiratory system, which is kind of in your head and neck, and that involves your nose, your nasal cavity, your pharynx and larynx. Pharynx and larynx. A lot of times people say pharynx and larynx. Nope. Say it how you spell it. Pharynx and larynx. So that's the upper airway, and then air travels down to the lower respiratory system, which includes your trachea and the bronchi, the bronchioles, the alveoli in your lungs. So air travels in through this pathway to bring in oxygen to the body, and then travels out, expelling carbon dioxide or CO2, that waste product, out of the body. Your book very beautifully describes the act of breathing out, expiration, as the process of letting go. So let's let go of that CO2, let go of those harmful substances, and breathe in life-giving oxygen. Let go of the bad air, bring in the good. I think that's nice for times like these. Your book also points out that humans and animals breathe in oxygen and breathe out CO2. Plants and trees breathe in CO2 and breathe out oxygen. What a balanced world. What a good system. Of course, your book also talks about the negative health effects that happen when we disrupt that perfectly balanced system by adding pollutants to the air, chopping down forests, whatever. So we do have to discuss a little bit of negativity there too. But another thing, just some things to think about, I guess, as you read this week. Ask yourself, what is the function of the hair and mucus in our noses? Why do people snore? What is a hiccup? What is a yawn? What happens, and this is important clinically, what happens when a person can't breathe on their own? What can we do if a person cannot breathe through their nose or mouth? And also, how do you spell breathe and breath? Is it the same? So many questions, so many things to think about. Read about this stuff in the book, and then let's talk about it in the live session. So I hope you stay strong, have a great week learning about this system. Happy studying, and I will see you in the live session.